One of the questions I get a lot on my channel is, how long does it take to learn Python and become job ready? Well, there is no single answer. It really depends on you and how much effort and commitment you want to put into this. But I would say if you spend 2 hours every day consistently, after about 3 months, you should be able to write basic Python programs. But quite honestly, that doesn't get you a job. In order to get a job, you need to specialize in one area. What do you want to use Python for? Do you want to use it to build web applications or desktop applications? Or do you want to use it in machine learning and artificial intelligence? So whatever you want to do, you need to take additional courses. For example, if you want to become a web developer, in addition to learning Python, you should also learn about HTML, CSS, some JavaScript, and Django, which is a popular Python framework for building web applications. Learning all these things would take you another 6 months. So in total, you need 9 to 12 months to become job ready. At that point, you can get a junior developer job with a salary of about $50,000 to $60,000 a year. Now, as you work more, as you do more Python projects, your resume starts to build and you can ask for $100,000 a year or $120,000 a year, depending on where you are, what company, what geographical area. It really depends. So there is no single answer. So are you excited to learn Python and get started on this career path? If you are, I would encourage you to make a commitment and spend 2 hours every day practicing Python. And use the comment box below and let me know why you're learning Python. What do you want to do with it? What's your dream job? I would love to hear your story.